Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great today. So the wedding season is here, and if you're having like wedding invitation and if you don't know what to wear, then this video is for you because I created this pink cut crease makeup look and you love my eye makeup looks, so I created this cut crease look and I'm going to show you step by step how I created this look. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So I am going to start with my eyebrow first, and here I am using the PAC Superbrow eyebrow cream, and this is in the shade Walnut Wax. And then I am going to cut my crease and also prime my lids. So for that I am using this Revolution ka concealer, and then I'm going to prime my face using this Fitme ka primer, and this is the dewy and smooth primer, and I have been loving this primer since I got this because it is really great for dry skin. So today I am using this superstay foundation for my base, and this is in the shade 310 sun beige, and this is a full coverage foundation. And next up, for the concealer, I am using this Revolution ka concealer. This is also a full coverage concealer, so yeah, I really love this concealer. Next up, for the powder, I am using this Fitme ka loose powder, and now for my contour I am using this Wet n Wild ka contour palette, and yeah, I really love this contour palette. Now for my blush, I am using this Makeup Revolution blush in the shade Ballerina. This is a pink blush, so I really love this. So for my eyeshadow, I am using this Wet n Wild ka Rose in the Air palette, and here I am using this cool brown eyeshadow for my transition shade. Then I am going to use this dusty pink shadow on top of that, and I am going to blend it with a blending brush here. Then I am going to use this blush on top of that because the dusty pink is too much dusty, I believe, and this palette don't have a warm pink shade, so I am using this blush as my eyeshadow. Next up, I am going to use this deep pink shade on my outer V, and I am going to dab it first, then I am going to blend it with a blending brush. Now I am going to cut my crease with some concealer here, and I'm going to use this 2 eyeshadow to set my cut crease. Then I am going to use this pink shadow and blend the crease because I don't need any harsh line to show. And then to deepen up my outer corner, I am going to use this brown eyeshadow and blend it with a blending brush. Then I am going to use that pink deep pink shadow on my lower lash line. Then I am going to highlight my inner corners a little bit. So for that I am using this Makeup Revolution ka highlighter in the shade Dare to Divulge. For the twist, I am going to use this James Charles palette, and isme se I am going to use this shade called Artistry, and this is a glitter topper, like shimmery glittery topper, and I'm going to use this on my lower lash line for that twist because I love glitters and shimmers. Then I'm going to use my Colossal liner, and I'm going to line my lids. I'm not going to wing it or so. Now I'm curling my lashes and use some mascara, and this is Essence ka mascara. Believe me, this mascara is bomb, like bomb. And now I'm going to line my lips with this Swiss Beauty ka liner, and this is in the shade Cherry Brown, my favorite lip liner. And for my lips, I'm using this L'Oreal ka lipstick, and iska shade name मैं आपको description में दे दूँगी. And yeah, that's it for my makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you are thinking of recreating this look, and then don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I will love to see your photos or videos or reels. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care, stay safe, and be gorgeous. Bye bye.